Yeah, translating. It's English? No?
Okay. So, gopis, they never meet with their husbands. Even their gopas, they never allowed to sit on their bed. Gopis are 120, pointed towards Krishna. What was the age when gopis they did the Rasa Leela? At the age of 8, when gopis were 8 years old, then they did this Rasa Leela. All the gopis were in the age of 6, 7, 8. Maximum was 8.
তারা এইসব তাদের ইসে কথা বলে না, এইটা বলছে যে রাধা কৃষ্ণ তো গান্ধর্ব বিবাহ বলছে, হয়নি বলছে কোথায় পাঠে যেটা বললেন গান্ধর্ব বিবাহটা ওগুলো লোক দৃষ্টিতে দেখানো হয়েছে।
Gandharva Vivah for the people only.
জয়পুরে যে
In the Jaipur,
জয়পুরে ওরা বললো
in the Jaipur it was told that one is Archan Marg and second is Rag Marg. Vidhi Marg is all the procedures, and Lakshmi Narayan worship is their Lakshmi Narayan worship is done.
লক্ষ্মী নারায়ণ পূজা হয়, রাম সীতার পূজা হয়,
Ram Sita are worshipped. They are married couples. All the mantras are recited there. All the mantras are recited there. All the things are mentioned there. Ravan and Mandodari, Yashoda and Nand Baba, all they are married by the mantras. 108 mantras were recited for their marriages. When the marriage rituals are done, so they are both bride and bridegroom hands are tied with the thread, and then mantra are recited. I have arranged many marriages with the Vaishnav rituals, Vaishnav mantras. When the bride and bridegroom hands are tied with a thread, and the last mantra is they are keeping the hand on their heart, that your heart mine, mine heart your. This is the last mantra of the marriage. Your heart mine, mine heart yours. There is no difference. I promise from this step there will be no, we will not separate it from each other. Moon and sun will stay. Till that time we will serve Lord and Vaishnavas. All these things are, this divorce and separation are from Western countries. This is not in our Indian culture. Sita Devi, what she told to Lavakush, Maharani Sita was left by Maharaj Ram, but Sita Mata was never left by Ramji. Bhaktivinoda Thakur, in Bhaktivinoda Thakur Kirtan it is mentioned that you are not climbing on the tree, but you are trying to pluck the fruits. Leopard try to catch the grapes, but when he is not able to catch, he sing the grapes are sour. So Ramchandra, he established this Saketya Bhav We should understand all these things carefully. What is the meaning of Saketya? What is the meaning of Paraketya? We should understand this carefully. If you will not understand, then you will be not able to do bhajan. Shruti Smriti Naradani. If you will not accept these rituals and you will go higher, you should understand all these things very carefully. Otherwise, if you will do on your own way, then a person have to go on any planet. You should keep Saketya, not try to follow this Paraketya bhav. If you will try to follow that, then it will lead a person in a heavenly, hellish planets. If some person will follow this Parakitya bhav, staying in this material world, then that will lead to a person, that person have to go in hellish planets. Everybody cannot understand this. Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad is saying, gopis, they don't have calm this tap, but Krishna he have this calm tap, and for pacifying his tap, his heat of separation, he is embracing the gopis to pacify the Krishna is embracing gopis to pacify his separation mood. These are not ordinary stories. Parakitya bhav is only in the transcendental world, in the Golok Dham. You should understand this very carefully. It is only in the Braj Gopis. Krishna, what he is doing with the help of Yoga Maya, he is bringing this mood here. In Vaikunth and other dham, other worlds, these moods are not available. Parakitya bhav. In Mathura, Vaikunth, Dwarka, all these Parakitya bhavs are not there. Only it is in the Golok Dham, and Golok Dham is and in the Braj Gopis. So you should understand this very carefully. You understand? If you don't know the meaning of Saketya and you try to follow Parakitya, that is not the thing. A lady who have not given the birth, how she will have the separation from the child? Why you are not feeling separation from Krishna? Why you are not? Because you don't have relationship with Krishna. The day you have relationship with Krishna, you will run behind Krishna. Krishna is calling to everyone. Krishna is calling through his flute. Your name is also is in the list. He is calling to everyone. Gopis are running. He is calling you also, but you cannot listen. Why? Because you have these material desires, and that is covering your ears. So you should keep it out. These material desires are covering our ears. So that's why this is airtight in our ears. That's why we are not able to hear Krishna's flute voice.
नाम करते करते
So one girl is asking me how this dust in our ears, dust in our ears will be come out. So you should do Harinam, then your heart will be cleansed and all this dust from your ears should come out. You should do Harinam carefully. You should do Harinam carefully. If you will chant holy names carefully, then all this dust, these material desires will go out from your heart, and this dust from the ears will go out. When you will chant holy names, you should meditate on Krishna's name, Shama Sundar, Vrindavan Chandra, Raseshwari. You should meditate on these names. This is said as Leela Suchak. Like Raseshwari. Who is Raseshwari? That is Srimati Radharani. Rasa Bihari. Krishna is known as Rasa Bihari. Radharani is known as Raseshwari. She is the supreme controller of the Ras. Krishna is not controller of the Ras. Krishna is Rasa Bihari. Krishna is playing in the Ras, and Srimati Radharani, she is controller of the Ras. You understand? So Radharani is known as Raseshwari. Balukunna Chandra. See, so beautiful this. Where you have to stay? You have to stay in the Braj. You have to stay in Vrindavan. And in Vrindavan where? You cannot stay here and there. You should stay in the place. What I told? You should stay in the place where is the control of Srimati Radharani. You should stay in the shelter of Srimati Radharani. That place completely dominated by Srimati Radharani. You cannot stay here and there. If you will stay in Chandravali place, Sakistali, if you will stay in Sakistali, Chandravali place, then Radharani will leave you. Afterwards, what they are saying? Radhakund, you have to stay in Radhakund, and you have to absorb in the. You have to associate. You have to associate with the saintly persons and Mahatma who are completely absorbed in this Brajbhav, who are Rasik. That's why you have to associate in the Rasik. You have to do bhajan like this.